Ran out and picked up 2 of these LT80s. You guys be sure and like and subscribe. I'm gonna show you how to get these things going from not running. Had to go get me some fajita meat. It's my little sister's birthday today, so I guess I'm gonna cook her some dinner. I know there's a lot of LT80 fans out there, so hopefully this video can help some of y'all out. And I appreciate it. And hey, share some of my videos, please. It makes a huge difference. One of you guys shares a video, I might get 3 or 4 to 10 subscribers. So it really helps me out. And I notice a correlation because when I see people on my friends list that share videos, I see myself get 2 or 3, 4 subscribers within the hour. So it really makes a big difference, guys. And I appreciate every one of you that watch, and I appreciate every one of you guys that shares them as well. So thank you very much. Show you how to get these LT80s ripping. We're gonna get them out, get them all washed off and stuff, and see if we can't get them cranking up and running. 2 for 2, boys. Look here. These 2 LT80s, come on. We're gonna get them running. I feel like a Mexican with a couple pit bulls. Is this one a boy? I think they're both female, but you make more money that way.
You gotta put your finger in its butt.
Oh shit. I don't feel a pulse on this one.
It's a female.
Oh yeah, there. Cold bitch. This one I had to take the starter solenoid and take it apart and just kind of mess with it a little bit, put it back on, and then it started cranking, but it wasn't at first. And they both started with starting fluid. So Blake's here, he's gonna help me clean the carburetors on them. We're gonna pull them off. Missing the front A-arm.
Oh.
So little kiddo wrecked it. I have one of those, but basically, pretty much every time I go ride a 2-stroke, this happens. I knock the front wheel off of it. This is actually a ATC LT80. It's a 3-wheel LT80. There ain't a lot of them. See how shitty these are. Tires look good. You guys be sure and like and subscribe. Share this video. I know a lot of you guys are LT80 fans and probably don't know how to get them going sometimes, but I do. Tell me.
I tried to ride the man.
White wheels on it now. Not bad. Cleaned up alright. The carbs real quick. See if we can get them running and whatnot, and then we'll go from there. So we're gonna power wash it first. Just take it out with some brake cleaner.
Yeah.
You can beat it with the hat, slap it with the hat a couple times, knock some of the loose stuff off.
I tried. It just stuck to my hat.
We're about to roll them outside, dump the fuel out of them. We're gonna try and charge the batteries, which probably ain't gonna charge. And we're gonna slap an A-arm on this puppy.
But he put a blue raspberry Jolly Rancher in there.
You gotta be careful because Blake will try and clean these with his tongue.
Yeah,
but that one tells him not to. Anything that's dark red.
Practice. This one was running pure methane alcohol.
Yeah, that looks not too bad. It's got some bugs in it, and you know there's some in the jets, but daggum, it wasn't as bad as that, boys. So we got this one and new batteries going in it. We're charging up. We got the oil caps off of both of these. And we got the oil lines run up. We're gonna put the Silkaline Pro 2 mullet oil in both of them, and then we're gonna put a light 50-to-1 mix in them that's out there, and we're gonna see if they fire up. So we got the 3-wheeler running. Now we're gonna try and get the 4-wheeler going, and then we're gonna slap an A-arm on this. Replacing this battery. Blake's doing the exact opposite, where he hooks up the negative first. And that's totally okay if it's him getting shocked. You know what I'm saying?
12 volt can't shock him.
Ruger can't fire with the...
Oh!
Oh, see?
Shit! Oh, that tire! I almost lost it. She about to go. Hell yeah, dude. Dude, it looks fun. Oh yeah.
So we actually got both of them running. About to put the acid in 2 batteries for them and get those going. Went out to the shop, found me an A-arm. So we're gonna put that A-arm on. So Blake just finished up my front end alignment. And I think he got some of the specs wrong. I think he torqued it down too much or something.
I've been doing this for a long time. You said you wanted to drag race. I'm gonna win.
I mean, there's straight bars. Let's see what some straight bars look like.
That's as straight as
Looks
it
like...
gets. Oh, that's not... Dude, that throttle sticks like a fish.
Don't let it die. We'll lube it up. Just give her hell. You'll get by. You'll get by. Give her hell, boy.
That feels very good. Oh, shit.
Don't let it die. The battery ain't in her. Let me see that front end. Straighten up the bars.
Huh?
Look.
Looks good. Feels good. Here, give her a spin.
Throttle?
No.
You're never learning shit for me.
Dude, it looks good.
Bro, I barely turned and almost flipped this bitch over. LT80 unit, boys.
Oh, fuck. Oh, God.
Dude, turn that shit off, bro. This is your fucking alignment. You clean the carb on it, like the throttle cable season up, really?
I mean, it's straight.
Well, boys, on the next episode, we're gonna show you how to fix some plastic. So there you go. Willie threw it right onto the hat. Dude, LT80s are badass, bro. Damn, dude. Blows him little.
Hell yeah.
We need to do a build on this.
Hell yeah.
High-fit spacer.
Fuck yeah.
Thought she was going to the pond.
Oh shit.
On her back.
Hell yeah.
She hit me, you slut. Who's got some power? Somebody sting that bad boy.
Yeah. Dude. Oh fuck.
You get the one with the fucked up tire though.
Hell yeah.
HPs. We're gonna get them aligned and we're gonna race tomorrow. We're talking pit bike track race, drag race, bumper pull, everything you can think of. And then after the Suzukis are done, we're pitting the best one, because we ain't standing for no excuses. It's gonna go tits up against them Suzukis, and we're gonna see what's better. 4-speed semi-auto with the, you know, rear differential, no chain, or some
and a ball
Suzuki.
hitch.
I'm gonna put you guys on the Suzukis. Nobody likes the Suzuki. Nobody likes the Suzuki. Blake said he rode a red one before. He didn't tell me he had fun on it. He rode this a minute ago. Damn near stained himself like 5 times.
I did.
We're gonna stop on these for the day. They both run. We've confirmed that. They do both wheelie. They do both send it. But Blake did my alignment on this one. And I don't know which tire. I don't know if it's this tire or that tire. You guys tell me what you think. But one of these tires, so if I turn it like this, yeah, this tire's straight.
It's the fork bearing.
But then this one gets fucked up. And he's trying to get me to spend $325 on fork bearings. And I know that could be fixed. Thanks for liking, subscribing, share this video. Share me staining that Suzuki. I don't give a shit, man. It's mine. But don't miss out, because I think tomorrow I'm going to show you guys why Yamahas and Suzukis are the best and not Hondas. And I'm also going to outrun Blake. I mean, so you guys be sure and check it out. Beef ones are up next, guys. Like and subscribe. Share this video. Don't be envious either. It's just chicken. That's about half my stimulus right there, but it's probably worth it. This was a whole chicken at one point, I think, boys. Look at, he was a vertical chicken though. He had some leg. Look at that. He had a fucked up leg. Plucked his ass and threw him on there. Plucked him. How many did you catch, baby?
I lost my hook.
Aw, happy birthday to Hannah. You lost your hook. You guys, if I die, it's because of my wife, because I try and tell her it's supposed to be 165, but she says that's done. So if I don't make it,
You want these to be dry? Really Something's wrong.
She tried to pull him off at 140, boys, and I made her throw him back. Yeah, she is lying. She tried to pull it. She was eating this chicken
I cooked
5 minutes ago.
how many times?
5 minutes ago, she was snacking on this chicken. I told her it wasn't done. Oh, man. I might have just saved the whole family, guys. Don't worry. We're going to be able to keep making videos because I'm going to microwave mine a little bit.